standing at the stove. Now I'm on the road doing shows. 6 million squads the man, bet they ain't had a plan. Yeah, yeah. Remember I ain't had no fans, now I got fans in Japan. Yeah, yeah. What they gon' tell me now? I stand up as a man. Yeah, yeah. I did it all by myself, yeah, I can do it again. Yeah, yeah. I was all by myself. Yeah, yeah. Remember I ain't had no fans, now I got fans in Japan. Yeah, yeah. What they gon' tell me now? I stand up as a man. Yeah, yeah. I did it all by myself, yeah, I can do it again. Yeah, yeah. I was all by myself, now I ain't had no friends. They wanna give me nothing.
Yes, sir. Ski is your girlfriend's favorite sneaker here, your boy D Will, man. And what we got here today? Today we got that. Whoa, man, we got that grill for you. Woo! I'm just leave it at that. But before we begin, take care of a little housekeeping. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll set notification bells, so therefore you don't miss any of my drops, man. Go ahead and do that right now. I can wait. Alright, cool. So y'all did it. Great. Alright, so let's go continue, man. This shoe right here, man, is a very highly anticipated release for me. I didn't get them, but don't y'all hate that when you get like phone calls or whatnot, man? Anyway, man. Hello? Oh, what's up, y'all haters? Oh, what's happening? What's up, Mr. Fake Shoes? I see you changed your name. Call yourself D Will now? Okay. New year, new you. I got it. What's good, my boy? I ain't seen you since last year, man. You ain't been coming around no more. They been asking about you, man. They're like, where your cousin at, man? I was like, I don't know, but he's still where he at. He's still in the world. But anyway, man, I heard you took an L on them shoes, man. I heard you on all kind of websites, and they told you no. They said bye. They said bye. We only give people who buy real shoes, not the fake ones. Bye. I see things ain't changing 2021 for you, buddy. I mean, you right. I did. I took an L, man. Like, I went on all these websites, man. I went on Reebok. I went on Shoe Palace, Finish on Foot Locker, and I took L's, man. I can't lie. I took L's, y'all. It is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? But hey, guess what though? I went on GOAT.com, and guess what I got? Hey, I got these bad boys right here. Yes, sir. Ski, the Reebok Question Mid Yellow Toe, aka them Kobe Bryant PEs, man. You know what I'm saying? How you get them? How you get those? Oh, how you get those, buddy? I don't know the vibes. I don't know your vibes. Boy, you know the vibes, bro. Look at it, man. You got that classic Reebok symbol and that purple outlining with that yellow or that gold on the inside. You know, got the Reebok tag, man. Then we got the Reebok. We got Reebok on this side, bro. Come on, you got Reebok on this side. You got the Reebok symbol on the other side. Come on, man. Class, don't play with me, man. And then you got that yellow toe box with that classic golden icy bottom, man. You can't sleep on these. Question symbol on the heel. And number 3 with get the tongue, man. The tongue, this classy, man. Come on, bro. Don't sleep on these, man. Come on, young hater. You sleep on these, man. You don't even watch Kobe Bryant. You don't even know who Kobe is. Your favorite player back in the day was Kwame Brown. Yeah, Auntie told me, bro. She said you like Kwame Brown. You want that Wizards jersey. Oh. Well, you know what? Forget you and your shoes. They say, I bet you're fake. Alright, man. I catch you later, bro. Yeah. Alright, and that was the review for the Reebok Question Mid. The Yellow Toes, aka the Kobe Bryant PEs. We got that on foot review coming to you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know, people don't really understand how obsessed I am with winning. It's not, I don't care about anything else on the basketball court but winning.